So the engineering program at Austin College offers a Bachelor of Science in Engineering. It's a general curriculum that provides a rigorous education and the foundations of engineering. We offer very small class sizes. We offer individual attention to these students. All my colleagues and myself, we are invested in students' success, and we focus on delivering a high quality of teaching and high quality of education. So students, when they come to Austin College Engineering, they get hands-on experience through projects that they will conduct in the class, and through variety of classes from their first year all the way through their senior year. It starts from the very first engineering class that they take. It's called Exploring Engineering. The past time that I taught that class, students were tasked with designing and manufacturing a product that had a positive impact on society. And so some students decided to make a canopy for wheelchair riders that protects them from the rain. Another student decided to make a prosthetic arm that helps children living in poverty lift cups of water up so they can drink water. Right, so they not only designed this by understanding that there's a need for these things, but they also then manufactured them using our 3D printers. And so students get that experience from the get-go. The last class that they'll take as an engineer is a capstone design class. It's a 15-week project-based course that will be industry-sponsored. So we work in the previous semester, the faculty work in the previous semester to set up these projects for the students. Come their final spring semester at Austin College, that first week we take them to a company and we let them loose on the project that we have set up for them. And it's a real-world industry project. It's the students' opportunity to show to us that they have gained all the skills and all the experience that they need to be fully functional engineers the moment that they graduate. We not only bookend their experiences with these hands-on projects, but those sorts of hands-on real-world projects are scattered throughout the curriculum. When we announced the engineering program at Austin College, a lot of companies in the region and beyond the region expressed a lot of excitement. And we've seen that excitement be translated into opportunities for our students. And all students coming to Austin College's engineering program will have those opportunities to connect with these companies through class projects, but also through internships and ultimately through job opportunities when they graduate. So another key component of applied learning is doing research so that students can get a preview of what graduate school might be like. And we have those opportunities for students here. We have a Sciences Summer Research Program that enables students to do research with us faculty members, and that's an opportunity that's available to students and sets them up to gain admission into high-quality graduate programs. The Austin College Engineering Program has been designed to graduate students that are employable the moment that they graduate from here. And they may choose to go to graduate school if they would like, but if they want to go to industry and work as a full-time engineer, they can do that right at the moment that they graduate from here. Please let me know if you all have any questions. My contact information can be found on the engineering page of the Austin College website. I look forward to connecting with you all more in the future. Go Roos!